This creamy pink sauce started as a restaurant mistake, but today it's one of the most addictive pasta sauces in the world. And yes, one ingredient completely changes everything. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 small onion, finely diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1/2 cup vodka, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Heat a pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons olive oil and 2 tablespoons butter. Add 1/2 cup finely diced onion and cook for 3 minutes until soft. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Stir for 30 seconds. Mix in 2 tablespoons tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes until it turns deep red and slightly caramelized. Carefully pour in 1/2 cup vodka. Stir continuously and let it simmer for 2 minutes so the alcohol cooks off. Lower the heat and slowly add 1 cup heavy cream. Stir until the sauce becomes silky and pink. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese and stir until completely melted. Cook for another 1 minute until smooth, glossy, and restaurant quality. Quick question: would you try this sauce with pasta, chicken, or shrimp? Comment your answer below.